Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, my fellow traders. It is the 15th of December. It is a Wednesday. I hope you have your Christmas tree up by now and you haven't spent too much on me in terms of a present this year. Guys, this morning I looked through all 28 currency pairs and I could only find one trade that I'm interested in today. Yeah, we'll have days like this. We might have days where we have no pair that I'm interested in. Okay, this is trading, no problem. So the one I am interested in today, guys, is this, the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. This is the daily chart. We've been shorting this all week. Although my regular viewers will know we didn't get a setup on this pair yesterday. Okay, but we did get another bearish candle, and I still think we can take price back down to this 88.02 area, this blue line. All right, so we're still shorting this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So the top grey zone, guys, which you can see, this was our zone from yesterday, and price didn't retrace to that area, so we didn't have a trade. But today is a new day, so we have that grey zone plus another grey zone. Okay, so what I'm looking for is price to either retrace to this grey zone here, guys, and then I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then we can take price back down to the H1 low. This is always our first target, the last H1 low for a selling, or the last H1 high if we're buying or longing the market. Okay, so that's always our first target. Okay, so first target, the last H1 low, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily blue line target. If that doesn't happen, guys, price could retrace up into this grey zone. All right, and then again we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. We want to take price back down firstly to the H1 low, always our first target, and then we can leave a small proportion of the trade on and take it back down to our daily blue line target. All right, guys, so that's the only trade we're looking at for today, the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen short. Let's take a look at the news today. There is a lot of news, guys. Yes, lots and lots and lots of news today, guys. Okay, but before I start the news, if you're new to the channel, guys, and you're enjoying this daily morning analysis where I give you my trade ideas and what important news is coming out that day, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and you will receive this daily morning analysis every single day, Monday to Friday, guys. Okay, so the news. Overnight, guys, we had news coming out of China, this 3-star rating. China has close trading relations with Australia, so this might have given the Australian dollar a little bit of strength. The news for today, so 7 o'clock GMT, these are all GMT times. Another 3-star rating coming out of the UK. We've got some CPI, so keep an eye on that. That could move the pound. If we carry on down, at 1:30 GMT, we've got core retail sales coming out of the US, another 3-star rating, and we have retail sales as well. Also at 1:30, we have news coming out of Canada. We have another 3-star rating, and this is core CPI. So inflation, basically, guys. All of these 3-star ratings can really move the pair that it is related to. All right, and then we also have 3:30, we've got crude oil inventories This can affect the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, because as I've explained many times, the Canadian dollar and oil are closely correlated. All right, and then later on, guys, we have the big daddy of all news. Yeah, we've got the Fed interest rate decision. Okay, we've got the Fed statement, projections, and the press conference as well afterwards. So 7 o'clock, they release the data, all right, the interest rate decision, and then they have the press conference at 7:30. This is going to move all currency pairs pretty much, all right? So you must be aware of this news coming out, guys. All right, and then if you're still awake, we've got one last piece of news coming out at 9:45 for the Kiwi, and this is the gross domestic product. All right, so that could move the Kiwi. And that's it for the rest of the day, guys. But yeah, you must be aware of the Fed interest rate decision coming out at 7 o'clock. Okay, guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe to the channel and like and perhaps share with your friends who are also interested in trading. Also, leave a comment, guys, if you want more information or to tell us something that you've done really well. Okay, guys, I hope you have a stupendous trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.